Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw an adorable bunny lollipop. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Start by sketching a round bunny head and two big ears, just like in the example. Next, draw the lollipop stick right under the bunny's head. Great job! The sketch is done easy, right? Now let's start coloring. Use brown to color in the eyes. Color the nose pink in a cute heart shape. Then, color both cheeks pink and round. Let's color the inside of both ears, too. Now, use light pink to color the rest of the bunny's face. Finally, use orange for the lollipop stick. All done! Our lollipop bunny looks super cute, doesn't it? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!